Hello guys, today we are going to set up vsftpd server. The server is used to share files from Linux to Windows or Linux to Linux. So let me SSH to my local machine. I'm using the tool mobixterm to do SSH. So here I am. Let's check the internet connection. Ping 8.8.8.8. And yes, my internet connection is working fine. Okay, let's check the IP address of my machine. Okay, so actually I have installed previously vsftpd. Now I'm removing it. To remove, the command is yum remove vsftpd. So packages will be erased. Finishing dependencies resolution. Okay, asking for yes. Succeeded. Okay, giving some type of warning. Okay, removed. So now I'm going to install it, and the command is yum install -y switch for yes and vsftpd. So okay, installing and done. Okay, we have installed. Now I'm going to do its main configuration file in the directory etc vsftpd. I'm listing it, and here it is. So I'm using the vim editor. First of all, there is a option anonymous enable, which is by default yes. If you comment this is again yes. So I have to write no, anonymous enable equal to no. Okay, that means no one will anonymously enter into my machine. So now let me go down to the file. Let me show you the other options. Okay, logs are maintained as x for log, var log, x for log. By default, we can change it. So it's enabled, logs are enabled. Okay, connect from port 20 equal to yes. FTP have a data connection from have a connection port 20 and a data transfer port 21. Okay, now I am restarting the service using the command service vsftpd restart. It's restarted. Okay, now check the status. Oops, there's a mistake. Yes. So it's active and running. That's good. Now I'm going to install a window client named as FileZilla. I actually have installed it in my system. That's why I'm opening it. You can download it from Google Chrome. Okay, this is the interface of FileZilla. Let me show you how to download it. It's a very good window client. FileZilla, the free FTP solution. Download FileZilla client. Windows version 64-bit. Just check your Windows version. If it's 32-bit, go for the 32-bit version. Okay, when it's installed, just open it. Let me tell you one more thing, that the firewall should be off and SE Linux should also be disabled. Or if you were using this in production environment, then you should allow FTP service in firewalld. Okay, now I'm creating a user named as FTP, and the password setting for the user FTP, you should have a good password. Okay, now I'm switching to the user just to make sure it's created. Okay, so now I'm going to log in. So, oh, this is the IP address of my machine. Oh, no root. I am using my new user created named as FTP, port 21, quick connection. Saving it. Okay. See, I've logged in. So now home FTP. I'm right now in the home FTP, but there's an issue. If I change my location, I can access other directories, and I can even access root directories, which is very dangerous. So you should enable some security for it first. So this is very dangerous. You can see I can access all the directories. USR, var, sbin, root, run. Any user can just destroy the system through just an FTP. Using the FTP client, any user can destroy the system. This is a security threat, so we are going to do some needfuls. I am switching to the root. Okay, here I am as a root. Okay, go to the main file again. Again using vim tool. Okay, now I can search for chroot. Actually, now I'm going to jail the user in its home directory, and I don't want him to change his directory. I want him to restrict to the home directory. So, okay, chroot, here this option is, I'm going to uncomment it. Chroot local user equal to yes. Okay, again restarting the service. Checking the status active and running without any error shown. Okay. I will need to reopen FTP client. There is an error. Critical error, could not connect to server. So you people can see it. I will copy it and paste it in Google to see the solution. I'm going to Google it. Let's open this liquid web link. Okay, yes, here is a solution. He is saying allow writable change root equal to yes at the end of the main directory. Okay, let's copy this. Let's copy this and paste at the end of the file. And I hope this will resolve the issue. Okay, again restart. After every change you have to restart the vsftpd service. Okay, so it is running. Okay, let's switch user and make some directory. Okay, let's just cd. Okay, let's go to the home directory. Make directory tutorial, cd tutorial, make directory hello, present bucket directory is home, ftp tutorial. So let's make another ftp connection. See, we are logged in our home directory, and we can see tutorial and hello directories which we have just created, and like this we can drag drop anything. We can transfer files easily. See, hello directory is copied successfully, and I cannot change my directory. I cannot go from home to anywhere. Fail to retrieve directory listing. So now this is a very secure file transfer protocol. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. This is for the day. Meet you next time with another configuration video. Thank you.